Here is the test for Martina, the beautiful cockroach. What kind of animal is Martina? Is she A, a cockroach, B, a dog, or C, a rabbit? What does Martina want? Does she want A, a present, B, a husband, or C, a vacation? 3. How do most of the animals describe Martina? A, smart, B, kind, C, beautiful. Number 4. Some men want to marry Martina. Martina's grandmother tells her to give the men a test. What should Martina do? A, ask them hard questions. B, spill coffee on their shoes. C, make them run fast. 5. What animals try to marry Martina? A, a lion, a monkey, and an elephant. B, a rooster, a pig, and a lizard. Or C, bee, ant, butterfly. The last animal is a mouse. How does Martina feel about him? A, she really likes him. B, she thinks he is mean. C, she thinks he is crazy. 7. What does the mouse do to Martina? A, he spills coffee on Martina's shoes. B, he gives her a kiss. C, he runs away. 8. Did you like this book? A, yes. B, no. C, maybe.